I'm so sick of sleepless nights where the tears run from my eyes. When you ask me why, I can't find no reason at all, and it hurts to hear your